Hey, I'm not sure whether you know this story. There was a Ferrari car, and this person was trying to drive and accelerate its speed, but unfortunately, he was not able to do that. And Ferrari is always known for its speed. Without speed, it doesn't have any grace. So he tried again and again, and unfortunately, he couldn't do that. Then he took this car to a specialist, and the specialist checked it for a 5 minutes, and then he accelerated successfully. Then the person asked the specialist the reason why he was not able to accelerate the car. So the specialist mentioned that the handbrake was on, and that is the reason why the person was not able to accelerate the Ferrari car. So I'm trying to flip flop the story uh, with the affiliate marketing. You might be doing the affiliate marketing in a conventional methodology. You might be struggling in. You might be struggling to get your first commission, or you might be struggling to get your first sale. And for you, I have a good news. I have come up with a groundbreaking strategy in building your affiliate business in a hub centric fashion. Now, this strategy is gonna get you the first commission, first sale, and 3x your clients and customer experience in a much better fashion. Hey, I am Sushant Ram. I am the specialist in building upcentric affiliate business. And I would like to ask you to download this limited edition ebook for a fraction of cost, which is less than your favorite lunch or a dinner. Stop struggling and start living your life of choice.